All right, hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna bring you in for the before of this vehicle that we're about to work on today. This is a VIP client of mine, and we're gonna be doing the interior and exterior of this vehicle. We're actually doing a ceramic refresh, and I'm also going to be protecting the leather interior as well. On here, it's time to reload ceramics on this vehicle. But here is the before walk around. Not in bad shape at all. When you're on the VIP package, your vehicle just stays in pristine condition, and kudos to the client for taking great care as well. As you can see, there's snow still on the ground. It's about 40 degrees, so it's not bad at all. But as you can see, that's the before. All right, everybody. I am finally done with this vehicle, and look at it. She is looking great. This is the after. Interior dialed in, got the leather protected, interior protected. Alright, this is the back hatch. Looking good.